So today I will show you settings that you can use to make your audio sound better by using Audacity. So as you can see on screen, I have got a sample of audio already recorded for this tutorial. Now the first thing we will need to do and the first settings we will change is to remove any background noise from our audio. So to do this, when you are recording, you want to leave a 5 to 10 second clip at the start of your audio where it is absolutely blank with no speaking. So what we need to do is we want to highlight the first 5 seconds of our audio. You want to go to Effect, go down to Noise and Removal, Noise Reduction, and then we want to click on Get Noise Profile. Once we click on this, you then want to highlight all of your audio. Again, you want to go to Effect, go down to Noise and Removal, Noise Reduction, and then you want to enter in these settings right here. So we've got Noise Reduction, Decibels 12, Sensitivity 12.5, and then frequency is set at 7. Now these are the settings that work for me, and then once I've got all these settings, what you can then do is select OK, and then what that will do is it will remove any background noise from your audio, and then you can move on to the next step. So the next step will be to go to Effect. We then want to go to Compression, go ahead, click on Compressor, and then again you want these settings right here. So you want the threshold to be -18 decibels and noise floor -40. Now these right here I've not changed at all, so go ahead and change threshold and also noise floor, and then once you are happy, what you can then do is click on Apply. Once you have done the compressor, we need to go back to Effect, go down to EQ and Filters, Bass and Treble, and then you want to put a little bit of bass and treble into your audio. Now mine is set at 3.3 and the treble is set at 4.1. Go ahead and apply this setting right here, and then once we have done this, what we can then do is go to Effect, go to Compression, and then go to Normalize. And then what Normalize will do is it will basically make your audio all throughout the same level, so it will sound very good when you add it to a video. So these are the settings that I personally use. These are the settings that I find that makes my audio sound the best. So go ahead, try these audio settings out, let me know if they work for you, and without further ado, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.